What if I told you that chronic inflammation is making you feel exhausted, bloated, and achy every single day? But this inflammation can dramatically be reduced in just 7 days by using 3 simple summer drinks. And the third drink is going to probably shock you completely because it is sitting right now on your kitchen counter, but you have been using it wrong. So by the end of this video, you will have 3 scientifically backed drinks that work at the cellular level in reducing inflammation like a fire extinguisher. And I guarantee you, your body is going to thank you. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a functional medicine physician from US. I have helped thousands of people with chronic inflammation to improve their conditions by using natural functional medicine plants. Several people are going through chronic inflammation. They have tried different kind of medications like steroids, like NSAIDs, but inflammation is not getting better, or they have too many side effects from these medications. And especially in summer months, a lot of people's inflammation is going to get worse. So that's the reason I'm sharing with you 3 scientifically backed drinks that is going to get rid of inflammation quickly for you. And stay with me till the end because I'm going to exactly tell you how to use these 3 drinks in a day to reduce inflammation in your body. So here's the first drink: cucumber ginger mint cooler. This drink has extremely cooling effect on your body, and at the same time it helps your body to fight off inflammation. The reason being, cucumber is 96% water, so it keeps your body hydrated in summer months. Plus cucumber also has a compound called fisetin, which has shown to reduce inflammation in your body. Mint contains rosmarinic acid, which has shown in research studies to help specifically gut inflammation. And ginger, everybody knows, is a powerhouse in reducing inflammation. It specifically works on the COX-2 enzyme, which is the same enzyme your NSAID medications also work into, and thereby reducing inflammation in your body. So this drink is really good for summer afternoons where you need some cooling effect and also reducing inflammation in your body. How to make this drink? For this you need 1 peeled cucumber, few mint leaves, 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, and you need half a lemon or a lime and a pinch of pink Himalayan salt and a glass of cold water. How do you make this drink? Basically, you add 1 glass of water into the blender, then you add your chopped cucumber into it, your grated ginger into it, as well as your mint leaves into it, and a pinch of pink Himalayan salt. Then you blend it until it is smooth. Either you can consume this mixture just out of the blender, or if you like, you can just pass it to a strainer to make it more smoother that way. In the end, you squeeze in your half a lemon or lime into it, and then you can just have this drink. Now let's move on to the second drink, which is the cherry ginger blast. This second drink contains anthocyanins, which are natural compounds which research shows can significantly improve inflammation levels in your body. For this, we are using tart cherry juice, which certain research study shows that it can reduce inflammation markers by 45% if used on the regular basis. So how do you make this drink? For this, you need 1 cup of tart cherry juice. Make sure it is tart cherry juice and not sweet cherry juice. You need 1 inch of grated ginger. You need half a lemon or lime. You need half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 cup of water. How to make this drink? Again, in a blender, you add 1 cup of water, 1 cup of tart cherry juice, you add your ginger, your turmeric powder into it, and then you blend it all together, and then again you can strain it through a strainer, and then in the end you can add your half a lemon or lime juice into it. What is the best time to consume this particular drink? It is actually 1 hour before bedtime. The reason being, tart cherry also enhances your melatonin production, which improves your sleep quality, while turmeric has curcumin, which fights off inflammation while you are sleeping in the night. Now is the time for the third drink. The third drink is green tea, but it is not the way you are using it. Most people are destroying 80% of the anti-inflammatory benefits of green tea because they are completely making it the wrong way. that here's a mistake that people are doing while making green tea. First of all, they are using boiling water. When you're using boiling water, you are destroying the EGCG, which is the anti-inflammatory compound in green tea. The second thing is that people are sipping green tea for 5 to 10 minutes. When you're sipping the green tea for a long time, again it extracts certain compounds which competes with the anti-inflammatory benefits of the green tea compounds. So what is the correct preparation of green tea, especially if you want to reduce inflammation? For the first thing is that you need warm water. Around 175 to 180 degree Fahrenheit water is what you need. Then you sip the green tea for only 3 to 4 minutes and not longer than that. And here's the next critical step. After the green tea has been sipped into, then you add half a lemon juice into it. The reason being, it has vitamin C into it, which increases the absorption of anti-inflammatory compounds by 10 times. And then you add ice to this green tea. The reason being, the cold green tea is really good for summer months because it doesn't create any heat in your body. So here are these 3 summer drinks which are going to help you get rid of inflammation very quickly. But let me share with you the complete system of how to utilize these drinks and how to use them in your daily routine. So in the morning, you first start with your green tea preparation that I shared with you. It is going to kickstart your metabolism and going to start reducing inflammation in your body. Then in the afternoon is the time for your cucumber, ginger, mint cooler. It is going to cool your body during the afternoon time and is going to continue reducing inflammation in your gut and in your body. And in the night time, 1 to 2 hours before your bedtime, is you use your cherry ginger blast because it is going to improve your sleep quality as well as is going to reduce inflammation while you sleep. Your body has been fighting inflammation for too long. These 3 drinks can start turning your body around in just 7 days. So try this protocol for 1 week and pay attention to your energy levels, your joint comfort, as well as your sleep quality. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel so you keep on getting this great information in the future also. And share this video with others who might benefit from this great information. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.